Hello, I'm Glenn Vickery and welcome to my YouTube channel Kiwi Bushcraft and Survival. And today I thought I'd just go over a button compass called the Suunto Clipper. The Suunto Clipper is just a mini compass, a good quality one that can clip onto your watch strap, okay, or clip onto whatever else you want to clip it onto. And I thought I'd show you how to use it. So let's zoom down here at the actual clipper itself, or the compass itself. See if we can zoom in here a bit. Okay, so the compass itself, if we can get that into shot, okay, the compass itself has, I'm not sure if getting the quality there, there we go. The compass itself has a little triangle that you can see just here that I'm touching, alright. That's your pointer arrow, okay, in the direction that you want to go. And it has a bevel, right, that can turn. You can hear it click. Like so. Now, if we wanted to go, let's say we wanted to go north, what we want to do is we want to turn where it says north with the N, alright, and we want to turn where it says N, we want to turn the N and click it around until we get to the pointer arrow, okay, which is there. And then what we do is we get the north facing arrow that you can see here in the green triangle, and we want to turn that north facing arrow until it points at the north on the dial, okay. And now, with north pointing on the north, the N, so N to N, and then the arrow, that direction there is north. Okay, so now we can head to north that way, in the direction of the arrow. Now, if we wanted to head east, what we would do is we'd get the E and we'd turn the E to the black arrow, the black pointer arrow. Alright, there's E. And now what we would do is, so the E is now where the black pointer arrow is, and now what we would do is we would get the north, the N that's in the green triangle, and we would turn the compass around until that points at the N on the dial. So what we do is we turn to there, okay, and now the direction of east is in the direction of the pointer arrow, okay. So now that the N is pointing, the N in the green arrow is pointing to the N on the dial, and east is where the black pointer arrow is, that is the direction we follow. The black pointer arrow is east. Okay. Again, if we wanted to do west, we would turn the dial where the W is to the black pointer arrow, there. We would turn the compass so that the N that's in the green arrow will point to the N on the dial, which is, I might have to take my watch off to do this. Okay, so we turn the N with the that's in the green arrow, and we rotate it until we hit the N on the dial. So north to north. Okay, and then you can see here where the black pointer arrow is now, is the direction that the black pointer arrow is pointing is west, and we head in the direction of the black pointer arrow to take us to west. Alright, so hopefully for those of you that don't know how to use weren't sure how to use the Suunto compass, clipper compass, that's how you utilize it to find direction. And obviously there's different graduations between the north, south, east and west. I can't remember the graduation marks, but that will allow you to get different bearings. I believe it's in, I can't remember. Now, to get closer accuracy to your bearings that you wish to go, or your azimuth as they call it in the United States. Just one thing to be careful of is if you're looking at purchasing one of these, there's one for the southern hemisphere and one for the northern hemisphere. So if you live in the northern hemisphere, you want to make sure that you get the clipper that works in the northern hemisphere, and if you work in the southern hemisphere, you want to make sure you get the clipper that works in the southern hemisphere. Okay, and the reason for that is it's just a balance thing with the needle. If you're in the southern hemisphere like myself, the needle, the magnetic needle, is balanced, so it's not going to so it's going to settle properly for the southern hemisphere. Okay, and if you're in the northern hemisphere, you want the northern hemisphere compass, so that it will do the same thing. The magnetic needle will be balanced so that it will work, function properly or well in the northern hemisphere. If you use the wrong compass in the wrong hemisphere, your compass will still work, but it means that the magnetic needle may be unbalanced, and it may be touching the plate or inside the compass and catching or not moving freely. Okay, so you want to make sure you get the correct one. But apart from that, with these you want to make sure that you do clip it properly onto your watch strap. As you can see there, you can see two like teeth sticking up. You want to make sure it's like sticking up properly so that it really latches on to your watch strap, so that it won't come off. Now it is only a clipper, so they can be knocked off if you're not careful, but if you lock it in, it should be fairly secure. And if you are worried about it, then I would keep it in a small survival kit or something like that, or keep it in your pocket in a pocket somewhere where you're not going to lose it, as a backup compass, a little compass. Anyway, Suunto Clipper Compass, in this case the Southern Hemisphere one. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something new, and hope to see you on the next video. Take care, bye bye.